Are you boys really excited?
I'm really excited.
Today, me and the boys went to a demolition derby in Lawrence, Kansas. None of us had ever been to one, and we were pretty excited, and for a while, it didn't disappoint. Prepare for a bunch of montages. The boys and I were having a great time. A lot of action, a lot of crashes, and a lot of fumes in the air. After a while, they cleared way for the next match, and it began. And it was just as fun. Cue the music. And after 3 intense matches, it finally came. The main event. And at the start, it was pretty awesome. And after a few minutes of intense action, tragedy struck. The stalemate.
So, how's it going? They're taking too long.
We were doing our best to power through, but then came the nursery rhymes.
It's over, bro. It's over. That's the last show, nursery rhyme.
One of you explain the situation.
It's been on 3 cars for the last 20 minutes at least. And so the crowd has thinned out a lot, and that includes us.